ये कुछ भारतीय लोग हैं यहाँ पे जमा हुए हैं। आप किस लिए यहाँ पे आए हो?
हम यहाँ पे अन्ना हजारे की जो मूवमेंट है अगेंस्ट करप्शन, उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं।
आप किस तरह से इस मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो? आपका क्या अर्थ है?
We feel extremely sorry that we are not in India at this point of time. However, we come here and
we fully heartedly support. We show the solidarity with Anna Hazare, that yes, we are together, we are with you to fight corruption.
We are also providing our support online by giving our signed petition,
Yes.
which will help India reunite again and then make some pressure to government.
So we always talk about corruption in our discussion forums, during our lunch table talks and everything, but we never took an active step. Now here is an old man of 72 years who could easily have led a good life in his house, but he comes out in the Delhi sun to talk about corruption, and he's taking a small step. So instead of just talking, why don't we just take a small step and support him in some way? It may not be effective for him, but at least showing some kind of solidarity will make him more. It is a kind of an encouragement for him to go on with his cause. He is 72 now. The bill will go through different phases of parliament before it becomes an act. There will be a lot of ping pong between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. This will take some time. By the time the bill comes into an act, Mr. Anna Hazare may not have the same kind of health as he enjoys now. So we want this. There is some kind of an urgent situation here, and we want the bill to really move a little more faster. And here is where Anna Hazare helps.
Okay, we are not in India, but still we are Indians, and we thought we will show our full support to the old man who is striving for the bill to pass, and it's bit a small support from people around the world, and this may lead to a big revolution as well.
So these are the 4 people here in Zurich who want to tell India, who want to tell Anna Hazare that though we are miles away, oceans away from India, but we are still there supporting you. But do you think you 4 guys and 1 guy here and myself, we 5 can make a difference? Do you think it will be counted?
Yes, every Indian can make a difference over here.
We're not just 5, we are billion people behind. Okay, so hopefully everything will come to now.
Everybody counts, and as long as we are Indians, we are together, so we should fight, and everybody counts.
Until and unless the movement really becomes a mass movement, it will not succeed. And for this to happen, each and every person has to feel important and make his own small contribution.
Everybody should come forward and should support him in this noble work which he is doing for India, for the country. To become a superpower, I think this is the first thing, the corruption should be scrapped or something. Yeah.
You mean to say it started with 1 person named
Yes.
Anna Hazare, and it has spread now like a fire, and
Yes.
though here you are only 5 of you here supporting, but you are a representative of all the people here in
The entire mass in
Zurich
Yes.
and Switzerland to show your support to not only Anna Hazare, but the
All the
fight
people who are
against
fighting,
against
against
corruption.
Yes.
So, and the good news is that the bill has been accepted. The draft of the bill has been accepted by the government, that they will put it forth in the parliament, and that's a good news. So one small step has been taken. So congratulations to you, congratulations to Anna Hazare, and we will fight,
Congratulations to all the Indians.
and we will keep on fighting whenever it is needed in whatever way we can.
Yes.
Bye. Thank
We
you.
will always.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.